This is my first time doing flower flashes out of New York, and I love London, so it's been an incredible experience for me. We need more flowers. At this time in our life and having just come through in a pandemic, you know, flowers bring you happiness, flowers bring you joy. I'm a strong believer that flowers can affect your mental health and really, like, you know, make life better. So anywhere I can put flowers, that's my thing, that's my job. Flowers bring you happiness. They change the energy of a room. They're ephemeral. They don't last long. They're always evolving, but it's like it always gives that instant shot of color, that instant shot of joy, and you know, it's just life. It just reminds you to be around nature and, you know, take a deep breath and stop for a minute and think about something, you know, happy.